What's up, people? Elvis here from ElvisUptownBlogspot.com. Live day trading videos. Today is August 30th, 2011. As always, to get the same watch list used in my videos, just hit up the blog here in the morning. It's posted up between 8:20 and 8:40 a.m. To keep up to date, use the subscribe buttons here. And I'm on Facebook. Also, if you guys have any questions, click the contact button and I will get back to you. Could be any question about day trading or my trades in general or my trading practices. So today the market is gapping down. The SPYs are gap down 7 points, as well 76 cents, almost 0.5%. So that's the S&P is down 7 points, I believe. And today we have consumer confidence at 10, FOMC minutes at 2. Should be an interesting trading session. So anyway, it's 9:15. I'll be back when the market opens up. Alright, here we go. Market's going to open. And we are open. I'll be back with some trades. Basically gonna sit for a little while. See what comes up. Maybe play one of these ranges. Alright, put a little trade on this CCL. Meets my risk criteria. I'm short from 66 and just got my stop a penny above that high. So we got this little uptrend sell signal on the first candle here. Might even add to this, so I like it. You know what? Gonna load up on this first idea here. So got my stop out now. 1,500 shares short, averages 66 cents. And I'll update. Alright, just print the new lows here. See if this thing continues on. So like the big target, 26. This might take a while to get there. I'm just going to follow the profit taking rules on this because got pretty big size. So we did get a 56 print. I'm up 10 cents here, so I'm going to take a flat if it comes back to my entry. All right, did get 15 there. I'm going to close this out if it prints a 56 or gets above 56. Alright, so just close that out. Got filled at 57, so I had big hopes for it to come down to 26. It still probably happen, but just follow the rules there. First trade, confidence builder. Sized up pretty big on this one, so I want it to work, which it basically did. So good trade, follow the rules. Can't really ask for more than that. And see, guys, while we have the profit taking rules, just came right back up to the entry there. So that's why we got it in place. Follow the rules, and we won't go through much pain. I'm looking for a short on the market. I mean, it's been pretty strong this morning. Just going basically straight up to positive. It's been showing sell a couple of times. I'm just being patient on it. I'm not taking it yet because other things aren't really in place, like the tick and the ticker alert. It's basically green. There's some other ones. I'll look around. Alright, we haven't got the short signal here on the Qs, but we got it on the SPYs, which is pretty interesting. So right now I'm going to wait for my ticker alert to get a little bit more on that red side, and wait for the tick just to go negative. And I'm going to hit this short. I won't have that much risk. 68 is high, so stop will be at 69. So we just got negative on the tick there. I'm gonna hit it here. So short from 62, stop at 69, and just pop right back up on me. So the market's still strong. Hasn't gone back to highs yet. At least the SPYs haven't, but this could go right back to highs. It is possible. Tick went back to green. Ticker is it's kind of mixed. I might get stopped out here, but that's why the stop's out. I'll update here. If anything, the SPYs might print the buy signal right here, and I'll just I'll get flat. So it's definitely possible. I'll show you guys what the SPY looks like. So we got that sell. Hasn't gone back to highs yet. That would be the stop on your SPY short if you short that. I took the short in the Qs. Qs seem to have a little bit of a delayed effect when put next to the SPY. At least that's how it is for now. Anyway, I'll update here. Our SPYs are starting to kind of tank right now. Let's see if this thing goes. Just gonna have to look for a price target right now. Things are starting to look better here. Show you the ticker alert there. Just trying to get up 10 cents, and I could play with the market's money after that. Alright, just a little update here. Kind of haven't fell through yet. I'm looking for this thing to come down to 42. I haven't even got up 10 cents really. I might have to close this one out though. That economic event is coming out at 10 o'clock, so I just want to close out any open positions I may have. Even though if the news event is negative and we get a nice move down and basically leaving money on the table, but that's something I gotta live with. That's fine. This looks a little bit better now. It's gonna fall through. Got the sell signal printed on the Qs, which is not really too important since the SPY is more of a leading indicator. Anyway, I'll update here and just wait till I get up that 10 cents and follow my profit taking rules. Alright, got up 10 cents now. That's my target. So break even stop for now. We have that news event coming out in about 1 minute. I'll update. Alright, I might just close this one out right here. The news event is just 20 seconds away. Yeah, I'm out of there. So, well, give it a shot. Made money and lose, so. Anyway, let's see what this news event does here. Looks like it's negative. Those bots took over right away on the sell side. Wow. This is what they've been waiting for. So looks like a really bad one there. I'm not gonna short these these Qs from here. I'm basically at the low. Anyway, I'll be back with another trade. Alright, got short a little bit of JWN here. This one hasn't pulled in yet with the market. Should. I'm not gonna get crazy full size here, even though I probably should push it a little bit. Just add it a little bit. So my stop is a penny above the high, and this one should work out well. Market's tanking, and this one hasn't flushed out yet. So I'll update you guys here. I'm looking for 20-30 cents in this one. Alright guys, here we go. I got my 10-11 cents here, but my risk is pretty high, so I'm looking for kind of like a home runner here. But with everything lined up, we have a strong negative ticker alert, so everything is making new lows basically. Market got flushed out, and this is in the right. It's in the right sector. It's Nordstrom is an apparel store or something like that. I guess it's retail. So what was that? The consumer confidence. I guess that has to do with retail as well. Nordstrom, they did beat earnings or something of that nature. So this thing might hold up a bit, but I'm betting against that one. Looking for it to get down into the 60s. So I'll update you guys here. It should work. Everything is pretty much getting flushed right now. This thing has come right back up. I had to add to it here. It's the right thing to do. So you can see it just got shorted. So I got a bit of a better average. It seems like it wanted to bounce off this previous day's high. So I might look to cover there, but this one looks like it's gonna be. So I did size up. This is really the time to size up, is when we get obvious fluctuations like this in the market. So still gonna wait for those 60s. I might just cover the 70s. Not too sure right now. Probably a 60, 69 area, I guess. Alright, just a little update here. I took some off. Most of the size there at this moving average got filled at 81. That was basically also this low, just a penny above. And we're gonna wait to see. Maybe it cracks and goes through the close. And then we'll get down into these 50s. So 600 shares left. My average on that is 45.10, and I'll update you guys. You know what? Just close it out right there, and I have to actually call it a day right here. I got something to do, so